Welcome back to the Photoshop video series. In this class, we are going to discuss about some basic effects of the text and some basic settings of the background. If you want to change the background and make it stylish, you can also do that. Simply, we have a tool here which is called gradient tool. Now here we have a tool which is called gradient tool and paint bucket tool. Now what do you have to do? If you want to put one color background, you can also do that. You have to simply select the paint bucket tool. After selecting that, you have to select here color, that which color you want on your background. You have to select this one, this one, this one. For example, I want this one. Now what you have to do, simply click on this one. Your color will be changed. If you want to change color, you can also do that. You have to simply select color again. For example, I want this one. Press the OK. Now drag it here. Here you have a color. So this is the one color. If you want to gradient color more than one color, simply you have to select the gradient color and then you have to drag here. There are types of gradient, that which type you want. Here is the, like, this is the linear gradient, this is the radial gradient. It's up to you that which color you want. This is known as radial gradient. After that, this is the dimensional gradient. It's up to you that which color you want. These are the dimensional gradient. This is the timed one. Now it's up to you that which design are you selecting. And here we have color modes, that which colors modes you want. This one, or this one. Here we have blue one. If you want to select the blue one, you can also do that. I have selected this one. Here we have a blue one. So I think this one is better than that. So this is the basic setting. After that, I'm going to have take the text. After text, I have wrote this here, Simar Academic, and then I'm going to select this, and I'm going to increase the size of this. Here we have some basic settings of the text. I'm going to increase the size of text again. Sorry, and make it. Now I'm going to increase size again. Now click on the text. Take the text tool. Sorry, press the right here. After that, select the text tool. And now what you have to do, simply you have to select the yellow color. I want the yellow color for the text. And then here, okay, right. Now what you have to do, simply right click on the text layer, go to the blending options. There are the many blending options. We are going to discuss about them. These are the basic options. If you want to put a drop shadow, you can also do that. As you can see the difference between drop shadow and the simple text. If you want to give a stroke, you can also do that. You have to simply click on the stroke and click on the stroke. After clicking on the stroke, you have to select the color, that in which color you want a stroke or outline. And after that, you have to select the size of the stroke, that which size you want. And I'm going to select outside, that the stroke should be outside the shape. As you can see, it looks much better. So these are the two basic options which are going to be very useful for you guys: the text, the stroke, and the shadow. These are the both are the very useful for you guys. So I hope these both settings are in this video are enough for today. About other things we will discuss in the next video. So see you in the next video.